In this video we show how you can take the concept shown in the previous video a little bit further and display a message in the right hand list when no record on the left hand list has been selected. So you can see here that there's no active row on the left hand list, and so we have this message here that says please select a customer. And then when we click a customer, then we actually get to see the detail. So the way that this was done was using the ability of a list to have multiple layouts. So if we go to the detail list now, you can see that the change that we made was, first of all, in static data we actually added some dummy data to the list when it's initially displayed. So we just have a dummy record over there, and then the list itself, we've turned on the ability to have multiple layouts over here. And then we've defined our default layout, which is the one that has the layout that we wanted. But then we've defined a second layout called empty, and we've specified that this is a freeform layout. And then if we go and look at the definition of the empty layout, we just have our message over here. So we're not actually displaying any of the fields from the list. We're just displaying some static text. So when the list is rendered, the default layout is the empty layout over here. So when we go and render this list right now, you can see that what we see on the right hand side here is the empty list showing the empty template. Then when we go back to the list on the left hand side and we look at the select event, you can see that not only do we populate the list on the right with data, but we also change the template that is currently being viewed from the empty template back to the default template. So that's how we go from displaying the initial template, which shows the message, to this template when you actually click on a row. Thanks very much for watching.